Hello everyone, it is Christine here, and I am incredibly lucky because I have two beautiful happy mails that have arrived in the post this week. I haven't had the chance to open them yet. It's been an incredibly busy week because I've been busy finishing up work so that I can head off for 2 weeks of wonderful adventures. The first week at the Fleur Woods Green Door Retreat. So we'll be due to head off tomorrow. I'm not sure when this video will be posting, and I hope to be sharing some little highlights and snippets from the Fleur Woods retreat as well. So I got one wonderful package from Annie from Arty Farty Annie here on YouTube, but she also hosts a wonderful Facebook community and a really fabulous Discord community. If you haven't checked out her channel, if you haven't looked at her really inspiring videos, head on over. She does such a variety of arts and crafts. It's absolutely fabulous. And then I got this package from the lovely Pat Page, and I have only just taken it out of its package, and yeah, I haven't opened it up yet. And I have read this card, but I will share the card with you as well. So we'll start with Annie's package over here and the card. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Annie does just such lovely work. Even the little sort of imprint around the cardboard. You fill me with happiness and a vase of flowers. It's so lovely. Handmade by Arty Farty Annie. So there you go. That's Annie's YouTube channel name as well. And Annie says, "Hi Christine." And I'd sent Annie, and also it involved Tom as well, a little gift. And so yeah, they're thanking me for the gift, and they wanted to send a little thank you my way. So Tom made you a set of his 3D printed rings. As they know, I won't already have them. They are absolutely spot on, although you'll probably get a laugh, Annie, in that my brother has a 3D printer. He gifted one to my mum, one to my uncle. My mum and my uncle haven't got theirs working yet, and my brother's in Western Australia. So it's possible that I could have had them, but no, on this occasion I don't. And so they're like rocking horse poo, very rare indeed, all printed with eco-friendly plastic filament. We hope you enjoy using them in your projects. With lots of loves and hugs and pats for Travis, Annie and Tom. And that's even more special because I know Tom and Annie are much more cat people, but I think Travis has a special place in their heart. Thank you so much as well for your friendship and support, and for the constant inspiration that you share with the crafty community. You really are a shining light. Well, I feel exactly the same about both Annie and Tom, and just the incredible community that they nurture. And it's, yeah, absolutely, it's just such a lovely surprise to get something back, but I feel like I get so much from just the friendship and community and fellowship that they host. Love the paper. It's got little teddy bears and wools on it. I wonder if this paper has come out of one of Annie's crafty boxes. Oh, wow. So these are, and I'll try and find the video to link to where Annie created an amazing millefiori, various forms, but using these as the base. Oh, and then these are the rings. So I don't know if you can see, they actually come apart. So you can use them as one big thick ring, or you've got multiple thinner ones that come apart. And they've just got a little join there, but I'll be able to just, I'll do one just so you can see. And Annie has shown all this in her videos. See, look how they come out. It's amazing. I haven't actually felt any 3D printed things, so, well, not to my knowledge. So this, yeah, it's smooth. This has got like a texture on it, but it, and it's really lightweight. The colour of it's almost making me think of ice cream cones. I don't know why. It's just giving me an ice cream cone, but it's not fragile like an ice cream cone. That's fascinating. And then they all sit within each other. So it gives lots of scope for lots of creative possibilities of winding, and the different types of buttons where you can use round things. Also in my three-dimensional, like my rock pool or forest works. I think that's going to be really, really super. So these ones, oh no, they're not the same size. There's some different sizes. See, no, that one's, so this is a different set. The outer's the same, but it doesn't go as small in the center. Oh, and these one, they're the same where they can, yep, they can split apart. And so, yeah, these ones are thinner than these ones. So isn't that great? It's amazing. So fine. Amazing what you can do with 3D printing. And more. And look how many are in this. So much scope. It looks like it's such a small little set of things, but there are so many when you think that there's all these layers of them. So that is absolutely incredible. I'm really grateful for that, Annie and Tom, because I absolutely don't have nothing of these sizes in my craft room. And I just know I'm going to be reaching for these. I'm going to put them in my little set of drawers up here so that they're in easy reach and easy prompting view, because I just think they're going to give me lots and lots of possibilities. So I will pop those there. And then I'll pop the little card with them. Pop them like that. Bit of rustling, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm feeling all the excited feels because yeah, we'll be heading off to Fleurwood's retreat. How lovely to finish the week, finish the day after working, and be able to open up some totally surprising happy mails. Look at this beautiful card, and it smells so nice too. It actually smells like it's got the smell of the actual flowers. Is it a smeller card? Exclusively published by Baker and Taylor UK, or is it just the lovely smell that Pat has infused in the package? To dear Christine, just a little something to say thank you. Happy crafting, love, Pat. And that's so unnecessary, because yeah, Pat sent me a lovely card at Christmas, and then I sent her, in fact, an advanced version of Nana's travelling rick-rack because it was her birthday, and so absolutely you so didn't need to send me something back, Pat, but it's incredibly kind of you, as you always are. And I just love that card. I almost want to put it on and stitch it, because it's got like a little bird, and I can transfer things to fabric. Wow. Have a look at what we've got here. Now, Pat, you are going to absolutely laugh, because I have packed in my going away bag a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, which is a little strawberries sewing book, needle book, little fabric book, and this is going to be so perfect for that. Isn't that fabulous? It's got beautiful little flowers that remind me of Swiss flowers, and it's got this lovely little cluster on it, so I'm going to have to use that in its full piece. Look at this cluster. It's got orts, which you know I love my orts. It's got some tulle, it's got some lace, it's got some linen, it's got some I think this is probably some sari silk here. Isn't that a lovely idea, just to put that little cluster on? And then some lovely wool. Isaac Ingham, Marley Mills, 3-ply, Highway Green, quality superb. Now, Pat, you're going to have to tell me, is this a vintage wool, or is it just the lovely label just has that lovely vintage feel to it? Because probably Pat knows that I love my vintage haberdashery, but I just love this label as well. It's beautiful. And isn't that lovely? Look at that gorgeous wool. That's a lovely colour. I might even have to take that with me to Fleurwoods, because I think and I don't have a green like this, I don't think, so I'll take that. And it's a beautiful weight, similar to an Appleton's wool or a Crewel wool. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. And again, even though I've got some that are like this, I don't think I have the ones in this particular grey. I've got ones that are more in a brown or a tan. It's just lovely. The leaf design, just beautiful. Really, really lovely, and beautiful linen as well. So blessed. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, are these little berries, or are they? I think they're flowers. But I'm wondering if I need to put that with my little strawberry one as well, to go in my little, because that would sit beautifully in a little fabric book as well, I think. So one might come with me. There's 3 things coming with me already. I might even have to take some rings. Who knows? I might need some rings on my holiday too. Oh, beautiful. Some London fabric, and that is good because I am planning to do a travel inspired something stitchy, something fabricy. And I have spent, in fact, I think I've only in my whole life, spent two days in London. So it's probably due for another visit. And the UK is definitely due for a proper explore one day. Isn't that lovely? Love the stamps. Oh, birds. Pat knows I love. Take a gander. Isn't that the best name for a fabric? Oh, look at that. I adore this. I have to give you the full view. Look at the birds up here. And then look at these. The ganders and the little, they look like little chickens, and then these are the baby ganders down here, I think, aren't they? Isn't that so sweet? And there's a frog down here, and lovely, are they like crocuses there? Butterfly. I love that. That is absolutely gorgeous. And has she actually given me 2 pieces of it? Oh, it's an Arthur Sanderson. Oh my goodness, Pat. That is so... Oh, there is more in here, and that is amazing. 1979. I won't give away my age, but I was just a very small tacker then. Tacker, for those we call, maybe it's only a family thing, but like little ones, little tackers. Yeah. Wow. It's definitely got the colours of the era that I grew up in. Even our floor downstairs, our linoleum, was a sort of an orange and yellow. And I remember having bedspreads and pillowcases that were in this colour tone. But this is so lovely. That is incredibly beautiful. Look at that. That's going into my treasures, but I think I will have to pop some in whatever bird book I end up making, or bird something. Bird treasure chest. So that's those pieces. I actually feel like I want to put them out in full so you can look at them. There you go. And then we've got another piece. Pat, you have been so incredibly generous with me. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Look at them. The tree, the flowers, the mushrooms. Pat would know that I'm a fungi fancier. And look at that, that almost looks like a magic mushroom. A snail, I've got my slow stitch snail on my sign on the door. A little mouse or something poking its head over there. A butterfly down here. A little bird down there. Absolutely love it, and I just love how happy this gander looks, or goose and gander. And yeah, there's the frog leaping out of the way. Such a beautiful fabric, and even just these fine little flowers on the grass, and the way the trees are almost like silhouettes on the horizon. Thank you so very, very much, both Pat and Annie. You have absolutely made my day even more special as I finish up work and as I prepare to go travelling. I might even need to take one of these pieces, and I feel like I want to stitch into this base piece. I love these. Love it. So this one might have to come on holidays with me as well. I know I've already packed way too much, but I've managed to fit it in the car, so I figure that's okay. And we'll be eating some of the food that we take. Well, we'll be eating all the food that we take with us, so the car will be lighter by the time we're coming home. I just won't be able to shop up too much of a storm. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Happy Mail glimpse. Oh, I've got one other package. If I can quickly show you, although it will be a bit noisy because I haven't even opened it. I got my the Maker's felting box today. So let me just quickly actually open that up. Apologies for the rustling. So the Maker's Flock, they send, or they separately have the details of what the supplies they've sent you are for, and I don't think that will be listed in the box because they've stopped doing the little pamphlet with it. You have to look online. I thought you might like to see that because you always get a mix of felting supplies. Look at these colours. Isn't that a bit delicious? Beautiful yellows. Lovely colours here. And you get these cute little, you get one of these little sample sheep each time. This is S.A. Merino Jet Black Tops. So tops being the layer that goes on the top of your felting. And there's a little piece of felt. I wonder if it's like going to be a little bracelet or cuff. Oh, here we go. Pansy flower template. Okay, so that's telling us what it is. So I think it's going to be a pansy. And I wonder what the pansy is going to go onto. But they are perfect. They are perfect pansy colours as well, aren't they? So it may have been just lucky that I opened it because I have actually packed my felting tool to take with me to the Fleurwoods retreat. So maybe what I will do, seeing I've got this lovely little box, I might even put, where was the fabric? Which one was I going to possibly paint the base of? This one I think I'll keep because it's got the Sanderson name on it. And this one, I think I'll take with me in case I want to. When I say paint, I mean painting with thread and stitching into it with thread. So I might take that one with me as well. So I'll pack that up as a little, oh, and I need to take my strawberry because that's for my little strawberry kit, and I'll take this little one as well. And I wonder if I take a few little rings. Maybe I'll take some of the small ones because I think they could be handy for the Fleurwoods workshop if I want to just have some little centre elements. But maybe actually I'll just take, they're very lightweight and they're not bulky, so I'll just take this little set here. I think that could be fantastic. Okay, well there we go. There's a little travelling pack of goodies to come with me. And thank you so very much, Annie and Pat, for your lovely, lovely, lovely gifts. And I hope you enjoy making your Nana's travelling rickrack things in due course. No pressure, no deadline. And for those that have been commenting recently, because I'm going travelling, I won't be able to send any more packages out, but I will definitely do some future collaborations as part of Nana's travelling rickrack. So don't fear, and I'll let you know through future videos when that is happening. So thanks for watching, take care, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.